Hello, good morning, students. Now, today we have this grammatical part that is writing skill, a story writing. Here we have some hints for writing a good story. So, when we tell a simple story, we required some practice of it. Okay, because without practice, we can't tell a interesting story. There must we develop some clear idea uh, about the story, and we must know that story from start to end. Because if we do not know about the story from start to end, we lost the some part of that story. The story does not become very interesting. Okay, so it is very badly tale. It becomes a very badly tale. He does not um, look very good. Okay, so if we want to create some good story, interesting story, we must follow some sequence, we must follow some orders, we must use some grammatical part, interesting grammatical part or part of speech in the story. There must be some dialogues, interesting dialogues, and there must be some twists in the story, so it becomes very interesting. Okay, so if we want to plot some story, uh, there must be clear idea, the outline must be clear about the story. We must create connections between the narrations. We must connect a point sequentially in a particular order which is suitable for that story. Okay, after that only we can create an interesting story. Okay, story writing. One must have a skill of story writing. So, here are the hints for the story writing. First, you must have clear idea of the story in your mind from start to end. If we know, if we uh, doesn't know the end of the story, if we doesn't know some part of the story, then that story does not become very interesting. Okay, so if you want to write down a good story, interesting story, so there must be clear idea in your mind from start to end. You must know how to start storing, you must know how to compose the story, you must know which language you which language should use in the story, and you must know the climax of the story, so that story becomes very interesting. So here is the first hint of writing a good story. Second point, you must connect the point sequentially. So your story must follow particular suitable order. So if we going to tell a story about the fairy tale or eventual story, then you must follow some particular order. If you do not follow some particular order, if the points come in the story before its time in the story, then it disturb the sequence of the story, and so the story does not become very interesting. So if you want to write a good story, interesting story, you must follow a particular order of that story which is suitable for that story. Third one is introduce dialogue and conversation where it is possible. So if you wanted to create an imaginative situation in the story, you must develop the dialogues. You must create and conversations uh, between the persons of that story, so you can develop an interest. You will going to make that story very natural. Okay, this is the third point, and the last point of using simple grammar in the story. If you used very hard language in the story, it's go beyond the mind of the listener. So if you wanted to that the reader or a listener wanted to take interest in that story, one must create an interest of that story. So you must follow or use the grammatical part very simple. Okay, so the compositions in a grammatical part and idiomatic language in a good simple use of in a good simple English. There and the last point of creating this good story, you must have a practice of making good story. So you doesn't create a good story in a first shot. You must have you must have a practice of doing or a writing of the story. Okay, so here you have to develop the sense of making story or construction of the story. You must have clear outline in your mind from start to end. Okay, so here are some hints which I give you in this skill of writing skill of story writing. Okay, so I will send you some photographs of the some stories, so you will get an idea. And now it is your homework to develop a story from the points which I will send you in photographs. Okay, so students, now we will going to stop here. It is very simple and little point of the story writing. This is one of the grammatical part of writing skill. Okay, I will send you some points. From that points you have to write down a story. Okay, you have to write down a story with using simple English language. Make that story very interesting. Okay, so now we will going to stop here.